Hello everybody, this is Daniel Borg with this Project 4 review video, Deconstruct an App in MUX 1511. And we are analyzing the Todoist application on an iOS platform with an iPhone or iPad. And the first question is, who is it for? Well, the target users can pretty much be a wide vast of different target users. For instance, one could be a student that needs to be organized and needs to be alerted frequently throughout his days in the week, and has a clear view of a list of to-dos. Also, a mom that stays home could be another target user that is always busy doing something else, so needs to be reminded by this particular Todoist app to alert her of doing chores or shopping or doing anything that she needs to be done, so she can't forget anything that she needs to do during the day or during the week. What other users can be? A businesswoman or man who is always on the go and constantly needs to be reminded and have a to-do list to take care of their tasks throughout the week for work. Next question is, what are the functions in the app? The functions basically are a table view that is listed for you, almost like the same layout as an email, as an inbox where you can create your own task. It also has a Today tab and a Next 7 Days tab to see in the future. The user can view and hit this Next 7 Day tab and view all the tasks that have been created within the week. The Today automatically just shows you what you have created for that particular day. So that's pretty cool, direct, and easy for the user to use. Um, Also, how does those functions work? Well, they have just a table view to press the first three tabs and to go to the inbox tab to see what is in that particular tab, and the Today tab to see what that's about and what tasks you have or the user has in the next 7 days. And then they have a project tab, a label tab, and a filter tab. And basically, Project tab is the biggest tab that we need to worry about because it gives you options to have personal projects, shopping projects, work projects, errand projects, or to create your own project and name it whatever you want and give it a certain color code. It is pretty awesome for the user to color code their priorities for each task, so that helps, which we'll get into in a little bit. How well is it designed? Well, believe it or not, it's designed pretty well. It's very simplistic for the user, straightforward, and there is no complex confusion about where to go, how to create a task. It's right there. You hit the first, second, or third tab, and already there you have a nice plus sign for the user to see and to create a task. For projects, it's the same thing. You have a plus sign on the bottom, and it's easy for and it says add project. You push on that, and you can add a project there. So the user UX is very simplistic and nice to use, and has very subtle colors and a nice table view to scroll through. Now, as far as how well does it meet the user's needs, it meets the user needs for organization, quick access for a list of tasks, and it is not a bunch of sliding pages where you need to keep going back and forth. Everything is pretty much right on the same page for access, and that makes the UX good, so the user can use it fast, quick, and directly. How does it compare to the web version? I feel the web version just gives you a little bit more broader view of the application, and you don't need to swipe back and forth from page to page. Everything is pretty much right there, ready to be entered and viewed at the same time. Where, like, for instance, you would have to enter the task or see the task, you would have to just click on inbox, where inbox and the task are right there ready to go. The next thing is, how could it be improved? I don't feel there's any suggestions of how this app can be improved. It really is simplistic and cool to use for the user, and very smooth to where everything is right there for the user and not to get confused. Hope everybody's doing well, and see you soon.